Hello!
Oh, hello, and welcome to Tikkabilla. Today we're having a bit of a hunt around for our toy animals. They keep getting lost. Does that happen to your toys too? Well, it keeps happening here.
You know what? I can't find them, VJ. The trouble is, the cows are so small. Well, they're easily lost, aren't they? And we really need them for our song.
Oh, yes, we do. Oh, dear, what should we do?
Hello, VJ, Justin, over here.
Oh, Tamba.
Hello. Can you see them? VJ, I found them.
Oh, thank goodness for that. I thought we wouldn't be able to do our song.
Yeah, where were they, Tamba?
Under the kitchen table.
Under the kitchen. Oh, I see. Oh, you've got your toy kitchen on the table. So they were on the kitchen table.
And Tamba's found the cows. So now there's cows in the kitchen. Cows in the kitchen.
Moo, moo, moo.
Cows in the kitchen.
Moo, moo, moo.
Cows in the kitchen.
Moo, moo, moo.
What shall we do, Tom Farmer?
Oh, no, look what we've got here. Ducks in the dustbin, quackity-doo. Ducks in the dustbin, quackity-doo. Ducks in the dustbin, quackity-doo. What shall we do, Tom Farmer?
Cats in the cupboard, doggies too. Cats in the cupboard, doggies too. Cats in the cupboard, doggies too. What shall we do, Tom Farmer? Ooh.
Pigs in the garden chewing the roots. Pigs in the garden chewing the roots. Pigs in the garden chewing the roots. What shall we do, Tom Farmer? Chase them away, shoo, shoo, shoo. Chase them away, shoo, shoo, shoo. Chase them away, shoo, shoo, shoo. That's what we'll do, said Tom Farmer.
Shoo, shoo, shoo.
Some of the animals were in funny places, weren't they?
Yeah. Who's ever heard of ducks in the dustbin?
Well, you could get cats and dogs in a cupboard. Well, a big one. But I don't think they'd like it very much, do you?
I suppose you could get pigs in your garden, but they'd eat all the flowers.
But I've never heard of cows in the kitchen.
No, that certainly does sound strange.
Well, I know a way you could get a cow in a kitchen. Why don't you two tidy up and you follow me? There we go, I've just washed my hands. So nice and clean to make our lovely food. Right, I'm going to make a cow in the kitchen. And for that you need a slice of bread and some dried fruit. Now I've got here some raisins, some prunes, some yummy apricots, some pumpkin seeds, and some cress. Right, first of all, we're going to cut off our crusts from our bread. So you don't need a sharp knife for this. As you can see, I'm using a plastic one. And then another side. Okay, that's nearly there. Do you like crusts? I do, they're yummy. And we've got one more to go. So cut that gently down and put those to the side, just there. Now we're left with one big rectangle. Now with this rectangle, I'm going to cut another piece off. So gently cut that there. Ooh. So we've got one big rectangle for the cow's body. And to make the cow's head, I'm going to use this small piece and cut it in half, like so. So we have two small rectangles. Now, we'll take the big rectangle, and that's going to be our cow's body, and take one of the smaller rectangles for our cow's head. Now I think our cow needs some legs, so we'll take hold of two pieces of crusts and cut them in half to make 4 legs. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. Now I think our cow needs a tail. So to do that, we need another piece of crust and cut a bit there to make our cow's tail. Now our cow also needs some ears. So again, back to the crusts. We're going to cut 2 small pieces off, like so, to make our cow's ears. Hey, it's looking more like a cow now, isn't it? But I think our cow needs a face. So first of all, let's make its nose. And I'm going to take a bit of apricot here, flatten it down. And that's going to be the cow's nose. There we go. And 2 little raisins here to make its nostrils. Yeah. And this is a bit fiddly, just stick them down. And for its eyes, I'm going to use the raisins again. There. And to make the cow's horns, I'm going to use pumpkin seeds. Now, if you can, wedge them in to the top of the cow's head. And we've got its horns. And just put the cow's ears back in place just there. Now I'm making a black and white cow, so I'm going to use these prunes here to make its spots. So flatten them down, it's a bit sticky. And that's 1 spot just there. And then use another prune for another spot just here. Hey, and there's our cow. But I think this cow needs to eat something. And what do cows eat? They eat grass. So I'm going to use some cress to make some grass. So pop that along at the bottom there and pop some more in the cow's mouth. And there we go, we have our cow in the kitchen.
Hi, VJ.
Hello, Justin.
Ooh, that cow looks great. Also looks delicious. Might just try a leg.
Justin, you can't do that. It's our cow in the kitchen.
All right, then.
Oh, and that's the clock. Justin, why don't you tidy up here while I go and see what time it is?
Yeah, well, hang
Thank
on.
you, Justin.
What? Oh, tidying up again?
Tikkabilla, 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 Tuck. What's the time on the Tikkabilla clock? Well, the long hand is pointing down to the number 6. So that means it's half past something. And the short hand is pointing halfway past the number 1. So that means it's 1:30. But what's underneath the clock? It's a glass of water. So I think today's story must be something to do with food or drinking.
Oh, Higgledy House. Higgledy House. Higgledy House. Hello, Justin.